Friends, welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. In this today video, I am discussing largest and smallest fractions. In exam, there will be one question on this. They will give 4 to 5 fraction. In that, they will ask which of the following is largest fraction or smallest fraction. So I will give some tricks so that you will solve within a less time. In that first case is if denominators are same but numerators are different. At that case, if denominator same, the fraction with greater numerator is greatest. The fraction with greater numerator is there na, that is the greatest, and lesser numerator is there na, this lesser numerator is smallest. So here 1 by 12 is, in that 1 is 1 numerator is there na, this is smaller, that's why it is the smallest fraction. Next is if numerators are same, here 12 12 12, all numerators are same, the fraction with greater denominator, the fraction with greater denominator is smallest. Here greater denominator is 17, this is smallest, and lesser denominator is largest. This is 8 is lesser denominator, it is a largest fraction, this is a largest fraction. Next is if difference between numerator and denominator is same, the fraction having greatest numerator is greater and lowest numerator is lowest. Here 7 12 11 by 16 12 by 17 13 by 18 31 by 7 6 36 is there na. Here the numerator, the difference between numerator and denominator is all here 5 only. Here 5, here 5, here 5, here 5. In that case, if your numerator is largest, that time whole fraction is a largest. Here 31 is larger value, that's why this 13 by 36 is the largest fraction. Here 7 is there, this numerator 7 is smaller, that's why 7 by 12 is a smaller fraction. Here comes the main trick. This also same, 3 by 7 11 by 15 19 by 23 30 by 39. Here difference is between numerator and denominator is 4. As I have told that if numerator, we have to see here only numerator. If numerator fraction is, if numerator is bigger value, then it is the largest value. If numerator is smaller value, then this fraction is smallest. This is method 1. If difference is not same, if they give randomly any 4 fraction, in that case a cross multiplication method we have to use. This is a universal method. From this method any fraction you can solve. Here they ask the list among the following fraction. Here 8 by 15, 14 by 33, 7 by 33, 11 by 33. First we have to compare two fractions and we have to eliminate. If it is one is bigger value, we have to eliminate. Again we have to take smaller. Again we have to compare with the other two fractions. First I will compare these two fractions, 8 by 15 and 14 by 33. In that case simply what we have to do, we have to multiply, cross multiply this like this. Here 8 into 33 is 264. For this 264. Again 14 into 15, that is 210. Here in 264 and 210, 264 is larger value. So 8 by 15 is eliminated. We are left with 14 by 33. Again we have to compare these two. In that we have to take smaller value. 7 by 13 and 11 by 13. Here 7 13s are 91. 11 13s are 143. So 143 is bigger value compared to 91. So this also eliminated. Now we are left with only two, that is 14 by 33 and 7 by 33. Now we have to compare these two fractions. Now 14 by 33, 7 by 13. Here again we have to do cross multiplication. Here 14 into 13, that is 182. 7 into 33, that is 231. So here we are having bigger value, so this is eliminated. So we are left with only one fraction, that is 14 by 33. So therefore smallest fraction is 14 by 33. In homework you try to find for the greatest fraction. In that case what you have to do, simply you have to eliminate the smaller values. If in that case which one is having greatest value, that you try to solve. Now See, I will give hint how to solve for greatest fractions. In the same here, we know that 14 by 33 is a smallest fraction. If suppose they ask for greater fraction, that case what you have to do, 8 by 15 and 14 by 33 na, you have to compare these two fractions. In that case, we have to eliminate the smaller values. Here 264 and 210, smaller value is 210, so we have to eliminate 14 by 33. Then we have to take bigger value. Here I will take 264. Again 7 by 13 and 11 by 13. In that case, we have to eliminate smaller value, that is 91. We have to take 143 here. Again we have to compare 8 by 15 and 11 by 13. We have to cross multiply like this. In that, if your value is having more value, that is the greater fraction. The one with smaller value, that is the compared to this 8 by 15 or 11 by 13, one of the following is greatest. So you try to solve and comment me in the comment me. So this is a method 3 is a very important. If cross multiplication, if fractions are bigger value, and in that case you doing cross multiplication, it will take some time. In that case, how to solve, in next video I will try to solve. uh, Guys, this is all about the largest and smallest fractions. uh, Please subscribe to my channel GPSTR CTT. Thank you friends.